Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arnab, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss some problem in Python language which is very much important as Python language is concerned. So let's go to the computer screen. Hello friends, today I will discuss another problem in Python. The problem is that write a program in Python to draw reverse pyramid of numbers like that. In first row there is a single one, second row 2 1, third row 3 2 1, fourth row 4 3 2 1, fifth row 5 4 3 2 1, and sixth row contain 6 5 4 3 2 1. So this type of pyramid problem or triangle pattern can solve in Python through nested loop. Okay, the outermost loop indicates the row number and the innermost loop print the printing matter whatever provide within the pattern, right? So go to the Python IDE PyCharm. I will solve this problem easily. Okay, hello friends, now I just write the code within this Python IDE in PyCharm to draw the reverse pyramid of numbers. Okay, so here I first define a user defined function, and within that function we write our code, and the user defined function name is reverse pyramid. Okay, so just write def reverse pyramid and send as argument n and put a colon, and within that user defined function I just define our code to draw the reverse pyramid of numbers. Clear? So at first just write rows equal to 7. We define a variable. Now I just define the outermost for loop. So just write for row in range and put as argument 1 comma rows. Clear? And put a colon. And within that outer for loop we are provide as a statement of this outer for loop is an inner for loop. Why? Because the inner for loop just print the pattern whatever provide within this reverse pyramid of numbers. Clear? So again write for column in range and put the argument here row comma 0 comma -1 and just put the colon same way, and put the statement for the inner for loop is concerned. Just write print and just write here column comma and just write end equal within double quote, just put a space. So this is your end of this inner for, and now we are just provide the statement for outer for is concerned. Just write print and just put double quote open close. Okay, so this is your end of outer for. Okay, now we are just write n equal to 6. Why? Because the number of row according to our reverse pyramid of numbers is concerned, this is a 6 row, that's why we are providing equal to 6. And now I just call the function, so function name is reverse pyramid and put the argument as n. Okay, now we run that code. So just go to the run button and press run option, and the code should be saved within the file name example1.py. So if you press this option run example1, so just see within the console whatever the pyramid I have told reverse pyramid of numbers, just it print. In first row this is a single one, second row 2, then 1, third row 3 2 1, fourth row 4 3 2 1, fifth row 5 4 3 2 1, and last and the sixth row 6 5 4 3 2 1. So in that way we can draw reverse pyramid of numbers in Python code. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arnab. Thank you and bye bye.